Hey, Craig here. Just thought I'd make a video about our van solar and what we chose to use. When I started doing it, I had no clue how much solar we were going to need and what company to buy them from. So I ended up buying a kit off Amazon, and it's by company HQST, and I'm pretty happy with it so far. The kit came with 2 polycrystalline panels, the brackets, the charge controller, the wires, everything you needed. It was actually pretty easy to set up. This is the charge controller. The display shows 14.1 volts is what my solar panels are actually putting out right now. If you notice, the 4 wires coming out on the bottom, the left 2 wires are coming from the solar panels. You can see the emblem, the positive and the negative. The center 2 wires, the positive and the negative, are wired to the battery. You can see the battery emblem above the 2 screws. The 2 on the right, positive and negative, would be attached to a light or some sort of accessory. The red switch in the top controls that. I'm using a single battery, which is from Walmart, $76 Deep Cycle Marine. It does the trick, but possibly in the future, I'll switch over to a lithium battery. My battery is 100% dependent on the solar panels. I have no alternative charging to it. So you can see our solar panel setup is very basic. Just about anybody can set this same system up with no problem. I highly recommend that you look into HQST solar panels. I'm very happy with what I bought.